Hi, this is a 1996 Harley Heritage Softail Classic. It has the 80 cubic inch Evo Evolution engine. I'm converting this over to a Jockey Shift with a Rekluse automatic clutch or centrifugal clutch to make things a lot more drivable. I had to use a 2005 Dyna clutch basket as the this is a 96 and Rekluse doesn't make a kit for this. Also, it's easy to put in. You don't need a special compressor and puller to get the clutch apart. It drops right in. No difficulties, no problems breathing that in. Okay, moving over to the clutch pedal. That was an extended brake pedal on the other side, which proved to be too long, but perfect for this installation. I added the pedal at the top, pedal here. You can purchase online the foot clutch for this bike. I forget which supplier it was. It was about $112 for the conversion. It did come with a very short lever with a small peg on it, which was not very good. Your foot would slip on it. But the pedal action is very easy. See, just two fingers. The clutch cable I shortened to 36 inches and used the same pull-out of the center part of the clutch cable as the hand clutch lever would do. This little piece of chain here is for when you put your heel here and you push on the clutch pedal at the same time. The heel won't slide back, so you have a nice feel there. It does work. There's snow and ice on the ground outside there. It's about 0 degrees, so haven't been able to take it down the road. An important item to keep in mind is clutch gain. Now this has put a return spring on here. This is actually a Volkswagen clutch return spring. You remove this, let this drop, and when you're doing your clutch free play gain, I guess is what they call it, it works the same way. I measure it from here down to here. So that way it's the same as the hand lever. So the same specification, which I think was about 1/8 of an inch, applies. Works fine. Okay. Here's the Jockey Shift. Bent this rod up here, threaded it for this ball, got this ball online. There's a company that makes these shift balls. It's a red 8-ball. So this will work the same way. It's not like a ratchet top transmission, but it works the same way as your foot shift. You have to push it forward for first, then back for second, hit it again, go up through your gears. You do have to use a foot pedal when changing gears, but when you come to a stop, you can put it in first gear, release the foot pedal, and it'll idle along, and then when it's time to go, just give it some gas and it engages. So, which is nice, because if you don't have this thing in neutral and you come to a stop and you had to put your left foot down, well, you'd stall the bike. So with the auto clutch, it'll eliminate that problem. Okay, so this is part 1. I'll give you an update when we get it out on the road, see how she does. Thank you for watching.